Dear student of class 8, now we are going to proceed with chapter 1 computer network. Today we are going to discuss topic basic devices of a network. First one is server. A server is the main computer in the network which store and process all the data and information. Data is usually sent from here. A server is also the central system which processes the request from the other computer called clients or node. Server are normally powerful computer with high speed and greater processing capabilities. Server can be classified into file server, printer server, modem server, etc. based on their services. Now, client are usually single individual computer system in the network from where the request for information are made. Each one is also called a node. Node can be any device attached to a network such as a file server, printer or workstation. Means server and client are the systems that are connected in a network. The main system is the server from where we get all kinds of information, and client are the computer system that we use to gather information from the server. Means the main system from which the information and resources are shared are called server, and the system that use that information and resources are the client computer. Now come to network interface card. It is a small piece of hardware device that connect the computer to the network. A network interface card or network adapter or LAN adapter is used to connect computer in network. Every NIC provide a unique physical address to the computer which help it to identify in the network. Means every network interface card, every NIC has a unique physical address through which in a network we can identify to which computer the information have to be sent or from which computer the request is made. Now come to the other topic, switch. Switch is a device that is used to connect different segments of a network. These network segments are known as subnet. Segments of a network are any device like any computer or printer or any hardware. The switch recognizes the destination on the computer or the devices when messages are sent from one computer to another in a network. Means when we give a printing command, it is given from one computer and that message is sent to the relevant device, that is the printer, via switch. Router is a device that connect multiple network which may or may not use the same protocol. It is possible because a router is capable of handling different protocol. A router passes data packet from one network to another network based on their IP address. Means in a network. One or more computers are connected through router, or the computers are connected to the internet through router. Now, gateway is work same as router, but the difference is that a gateway connect dissimilar networks that are not same. Like if we want to connect a LAN and a WAN, then at that time we use a gateway convert the data passing between dissimilar network so that each side can communicate with each other, convert data into correct network protocol. Now come to the uses of a network. Network can be used for communication and for resource sharing. We can communicate using network through different ways, by using email or using social networking sites like Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, or through video conferencing, or through chat, text message, blogs. Many more sites are available for communication, and it make communication easier and faster, and it is also cost effective because at a time we can send messages or any information from more than one user, and that can be sent very quickly and in a very less cost. Now, resource sharing include data sharing, hardware sharing, and software sharing. The data can be easily shared in a network so that other user can access it when it is needed. Sharing and transferring file within network are very fast. In a stand-alone environment, to share the data, we need flash memory, CD, DVD, or other secondary storage to put data into it and copy it to the other computer. Hardware, we can share or use peripheral devices of other computer on a network. For example, we use the printer, DVD writer of other computer in a network. Also, we can share software. In a client server environment, software is needed to be installed only on server, and they can be used by client also. It's safe because it doesn't need for installation and updating of software on the client computer, and eliminate to buy several copies of software for client computer. Now, advantage of resource sharing. When we share our resource, it is cost effective because if we share software, we use only one software for server, and that can be easily shared to other client computer, which is very cost effective. It is time effective also because whatever document we share, that can be taken very less time from sending or receiving from one computer to other computer, and also it saves storage capacity because in network the computer can share any information that is stored on server or any other computer. So one information can be stored at one place. It not need to store it at different computer systems. Now this is about your chapter. Your chapter is completed. Thank you.